All right, so I've never really went into detail on this before. So how I lay my scales out on my knives, most of my scales come, if not exact, close enough for government work, you know. And what I do is I have me some dummy pins back here. I use them every now and then after they get worn out, but I just put my handle anywhere in the graphic or grain or whatever I want, you know, my actual handle to look like, kind of line it up. I drill my first pin, pop a pin in it, then from there, make sure the butt of your knife or the wherever, you know, the second hole or third hole is going to be, and put pins as you go, and usually it lines up pretty good as long as your table and your chuck are square, they will go. Now, if your table here is loose, like if you loosen it to where you can swivel it, it does have some play in it. So keep that in mind. When you're drilling these, if you drill in, your drill bit is going to go at an angle, and when you put this scale over here, your angles are not going to line up. That's a really simple way to put something that took me a long time to figure out, and a few people that I've spoke to have been through the same issues before. So if you're having that issue, or if you do something like this and that's been a problem for you, that's probably what happened. So I don't know if this is exactly square. I tighten it and it seems to work, so I'm gonna do this. Yeah, so doing it that way, your pins line up. It's just a easy way I do it. So anyways, that's how I get my knives ready for glue up. How I drill my pinholes, how I get my handle material fitted up to the tang, and you can never have too many clamps. Appreciate you guys coming to hang out. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. We're gonna do a bunch more content here lately or whatever. I've got some new video editing software. Working on getting more lights in the shop so it's not filming in a dungeon and stuff or whatever, but appreciate y'all. Any questions, comments, ideas, put them down below. Come hang out, say what's up. Appreciate you.